it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So welcome back mga friends. So finally, the day has come for the announcement of the winner. I just cannot believe. Ang bilis-bilis ng panahon. Mag-a-announce na tayo ng ating winner for this giveaway. I guess, more than a month din nag-run itong giveaway natin kasi I posted that video, I guess, November 18. So, now it is December 26 already and pasensya na that I will be posting this a little late at night na kasi medyo busy yung ating show, guys. Yesterday, December 25, which is Christmas Day, merong work dito sa Japan. So, it's just, regular or, anong bang futsu? Yung parang normal pala. It's just normal here in Japan to have work during Christmas Day. Unless if yung Christmas nafu-fall siya during Saturday or Sunday, but if nafu-fall siya during the weekdays, meron talagang work dito. So, yun, hindi tayo kapag film ng mas maaga. Ayan, so another fact also is that they don't celebrate Christmas. That's why wala lang, kebs lang. Kaya may work yung lahat ng tao dito. So ayun, but still I am happy and thankful na at least kahit during this pandemic, I am still having work or I'm still blessed na meron pa rin akong work kahit, hindi masyadong busy kasi nga dahil sa pandemic. But I'm still very thankful for that. So that's why I am hosting this giveaway para ma-share ko naman ang aking blessings to all of you guys. And also, pagpasensyahan nyo na din ang aking pagmumukha. It's because I am testing a skincare product at this moment. So it's a little, ayun, medyo red. Tapos, I get hot flash so quickly and so often. So, pagpasensyahan na kung yung aking face is a little red. There's nothing I can do about it. So, yeah, I'm still currently on the testing of a skincare product na naman. So, ayun nga. I will be announcing the giveaway today finally. So, medyo, marami ba? I think, mas marami yung nag-join this time compared to the previous giveaways that I hosted. I think 39 tayo lahat yung join. So, I'm so happy about that. At least, umabot tayo ng 39 people na nag-join sa aking giveaway. I'm so happy. So, yeah. Yung way pala na pag-draw ko sa giveaway is still the same yung sa giveaways ko nung mga nagdaan ko ng giveaway. So, I will be still using this one because I really enjoyed, yung bumubunot ng ganito, guys. Tapos, hindi naman tayo masyadong yung karamihan, yung 100. So, kaya lang sulatin sa kamay. Tapos, kayang, i-roll yung papel like this. So, eto yung magiging basehan ng ating draw. But before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So now let's start to announce the winner of this giveaway. So I hope everybody has followed all the mechanics para hindi kayo ma-disqualified dito sa ating giveaway. Pero I think na lang yung basta, I hope you have followed all the mechanics, guys. And hindi naman masyadong, mahirap yung mechanics natin, diba? So, yeah, I'm so excited to be announcing the giveaway. It's Christmas. Oh, by the way, I forgot to greet everybody. Merry Christmas. Today is December 26. Pasensya na late ako sa pag-greet sa lahat ng tao dito. Medyo busy lang talaga. So, Merry Christmas to all and advance Happy New Year kasi baka hindi na naman ako makabalik dito sa YouTube. So, Merry Christmas everybody. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. Masaya yung Christmas nyo kahit sa lahat-lahat ng mga pangyayari ngayon, 2020, I just still hope na masaya tapos healthy lang tayong lahat. Yun yung pinaka-importante naman talaga. Kahit wala tayong mga material things, basta healthy and safe lang tayo lagi. Especially yung mga yung mga loved ones din natin. Let's just pray and hope na yun nga, safety and good health sa ating mga loved ones. Ito na, ang dami ko nang sinasabi. I will be starting to draw yung yung winner ng first prize. So yung first prize, guys, I just wanted to make yung reminder sa ating. So yung first prize, kung sa Philippines, from the Philippines ka, is 2,000 pesos. Tapos yung second prize is if yung from the Philippines ka pa din is 1,000 pesos. But if you are from Japan, yung first prize is 3,000. Tapos yung second prize is 1,000. So 2 winners yung mangyayari for today. So, excited na ba kayo? Excited na ba kayo? I am so excited. So, let's get started. Ayan. I'm just gonna shake this. Shake, 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 shake. Sino kaya ang ating lucky winner for our first prize? So, ding, 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 ding. Drum roll, please. I'm just gonna open this one, guys. Whew. I'm excited. So, I'm not gonna look. Okay, are you ready? Are you all ready for the first prize? For the first prize. So, eto na. I'm not gonna look. So, eto si first prize. Ayan. Lagay ko muna ito dito. So, yung ating winner for the first prize is, I'm gonna open this all in front of you. Ayan, si first prize. Sino yan? Si Marie? Ano ba? Basahin ko muna, guys. Marie Joy Saldivia Lalata. Oh my God! Congratulations! Marie Joy Saldivia Lalata. Ikaw ang ating winner ng first prize. Saan ka ba, girl? Taga Philippines or hindi ko alam kung taga Philippines to or taga Japan. Basta, yun. Basta ito yung first prize natin. So, just, screenshot this para, for proof. Ayan. So, screenshot mo lang ito and then, ayan. So, ano pa ba? Nalilito na kayo. So, screenshot this and then message me on or DM me sa Instagram. Ayan, DM me sa Instagram ng screenshot na eto na ikaw yung winner ng, first prize. Yan. O, diba? Then also, if hindi ko pa nabasa yung mga complete details mo, yung qualifications mo sa video, make sure na din na you send na a screenshot na nakasubscribe ka sa akin, na-share mo yung video, tapos nakafollow ka sa Instagram tsaka sa Facebook page ko, isend mo na din yon. So, this is our first prize winner! Screenshot mo na ito, girl, para ma-message mo na ako, okay? So now, bubunutin na naman natin ang second prize. So, shake again. Shaky, shaky. Shake, 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 shake. Oh my God. Sino kaya ang magiging maswerteng mananalo sa second prize natin? Ayan. Okay. That's enough. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. So, I'm not gonna look again. Dito ako sa screen. Titingin. So, eto is the second prize, okay? Okay. Here is our second prize. Ayan, winner. Okay, I'm gonna open this in front of you all. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, this is our second prize winner. Ayan, sino ba to? I'm just gonna quickly read, guys, ha? Kasi hindi ko makita. Ay, baliktad! Ganyan. So, eto pala yung second prize winner. Sorry. Ayan. Okay. So, I'm just gonna quickly read it. So, yung second prize winner natin is Fred Balanggi. Balanggi ba to? Balanggi. Yan. Fred Balanggi. Ikaw yung ating second prize winner! Yay! So, paki-screenshot ng neto. Then, send me the screenshot sa Instagram or sa Facebook, message me, yan. Screenshot this one and also the same with the first prize winner na yung screenshot ng subscription mo sa aking channel, na share mo ang aking video and then you have like my Facebook page and then followed me on Instagram. So, screenshot them all para alam ko na qualified ka. So, ayan, once again, our second prize winner! Yay! Congratulations! But wait guys, may pahabol pa ako all sa inyo. Since it is Christmas, I decided to do a bonus giveaway. So, meron tayong pangatlong winner. O, diba? Bongga? Surprise! 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 Surprise pa kayo. So, I will be drawing a third prize winner. So, yung third prize winner will be receiving yung ano pa rin, 1,000 pesos pag nasa Pilipinas or dito sa Japan. Yun. 1,000 yen pag nandito ka sa Japan, Amazon gift card. So, ayan. So, diba? Na-surprise kayo. So, since it's Christmas, I just wanted to, you know, share my blessings to all of you. Kasi, kahit sa mga pangyayaring ngayon and all, but still I am blessed. May work pa din ako, tapos may clients pa din ako sa aking hair sideline. So why not? Kasi I just want to thank him above na ang mga binigay niya sa akin. So yay! Let's draw our third prize winner. Excited na ba kayo, guys? Cross fingers! Cross fingers! Ayan, so, our third prize winner, ayan, ayaw nang ma-open. Okay, so, our third prize winner. You're so lucky kasi ikaw yung third prize winner natin. You are, unexpected, di ba? Hindi nyo in-expect yun, no? Hindi nyo in-expect ito, no? So, the lucky third prize winner is, I'm not gonna look. So, eto na. Eto na siya. Just gonna put it. Eto na siya. Eto na siya. Sana hindi ito baliktad. Jeng, 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 jeng. Sino to? Huh? Baliktad? Baliktad. Oh, ayan. Our lucky third prize winner is eto. Sino ba to? I'm just gonna quickly read, guys, kasi hindi ko makita. Odeline Kaduyak. Odeline Kaduyak. So, ayan, congratulations, Odeline Kaduyak. You are the third prize winner. Congratulations. Swerte, 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 swerte. Ayan. So, once again, screenshot this one. I-send mo sa akin, i-message mo sa akin na ikaw yung third prize winner para malaman ko na ikaw yon. So, screenshot this one. Ayan. So, yay! Congratulations. Yeah. Nabulol na ako. Congratulations to our winners! So, yeah. For all the winners on this giveaway, make sure that you message me on Instagram or I prefer message me on Instagram, guys, kasi mas mabilis i-message sa Instagram. So, message me on Instagram yung mga screenshots na sinasabi ko para I know that that you are the winner. And then from then on, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung paano ko isi-send sa inyo yung mga napanalunan nyo. So, yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much and congratulations to all the winners on this giveaway. Sana naging happy kayo, guys, because I am so happy to be hosting this one. And yeah! Finally, all the winners have been announced. Sana magpatuloy pa rin kayong mag-support sa aking YouTube channel, guys. Let's make this channel grow para on the next giveaway, medyo malaki-laki naman yung ating pag-giveaway. Kayo, if you continue to support, it really helps a lot. Pag nag-support kayo sa aking channel. Kasi pag mas maraming subscribers, maraming supporters, lalaki yung ating channel, and then more giveaways to come. So please do continue to support. Kahit natapos na ang ating giveaway, please continue to support me, guys. And I do really appreciate all your support. Thank you so much for joining. It makes me so happy that oh my God. Parang naiiyak ako. I'm so OA. Oh my God, parang naiiyak ako. So ayun nga. Thank you so much for joining, for supporting me. As always, yung mga new subscribers, thank you so much for considering to subscribe. Yeah. Thank you so much once again. Ang dami-dami ko ng thank you, and I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. And yeah, always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. Thank you once again for joining and supporting me and subscribing and all that. And hopefully I will see you on my next video. Bye everybody!